Hi students, in this session we will discuss some most important questions from geometry progressions. Now these questions you can expect for either 2 marks or 4 marks. Okay? Now, बच्चों, the series in GP will be, the series in geometry progression will be like A, the first term will be A, and our second term will be AR, and the third term is A into R square and A into R cube and so on. So this A1 is nothing but the first term, and this A into R is second term, A into R square is third term, and A into R cube is fourth term and so on. So if I continue like this, our nth term will be AN will be A into R power of n minus 1. So nth term of GP is A into R to the power of n minus 1. Now in the GP, the first term is always A. The first term will take it as A. And the common ratio, R is nothing but common ratio. So how to find common ratio? Take the second term A2 and divide it by the first term A1. Or I'll take the third term A3 and divide it by A2. Or take the fourth term and divide by A3. Fourth term divided by A3. That means R can be found by using A2 by A1 or A3 by A2 or A4 by A3. If the given series in GP, then always remember that the common ratio will be same. Otherwise, the series is not in GP. Just make a note of this. Nth term of GP, AN equal to, the formula is AR to the power of n minus 1. Now this is the formula used to find any particular term in the given GP. So where A is the first term and R is the common ratio, and n is nothing but the term number which you want to find. So AN equal to, the nth term AN equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. If A comma B comma C are 3 consecutive terms in GP, then we can write B by A equal to C by B. So when the 3 consecutive terms are given like A, B, C, we can write B by A equal to C by B. In this question, it is given that the first term of GP is 9 and the common ratio R is 1 by 3, and we need to find the 7th term A7. Here the value of A is 9, the value of R is 1 by 3. So that nth term is AR to the power of n minus 1. Now this is the formula used to find any particular term. So we need the value of A7. So let me write A7 equal to, the value of A is given 9 into, the value of R is 1 by 3 to the power of n. N is nothing but term number is 7 here, 7 minus 1. So 9 into, so 1 by 3 as it is to the power of, I'll take 6. So 9 can be written as 3 square into 1 by 3 power of 6. So 2 cancel, we'll get 4 here. So we'll get 1 by 3 power of 4. So 3 power of 4 nothing but 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So let me take 1 by 81. So therefore our 7th term A7 equal to 1 by 81. Now let me do one more question similar to the previous question. Here the value of A is, here first term is minus 12 and the value of R is 1 by 3. These two things are given and we need to find 6th term. We know that nth term of GP is A into R to the power of n minus 1. So the value of A6 we need to find. So let me take A6 here. Now look at this. The value of n is now 6. So A is here minus 12 into the value of R, already we know it is 1 by 3 to the power of n minus 1, means 6 minus 1. So minus 12 into 1 by 3 to the power of 6 minus 1 is 5. So minus 12 will take it as 3 into 4 into 1 to the power of 5 is 1 only divided by 3 power of 5. Now if I cancel 1 3 here, we have here 3 4. So minus 1 into 4 into 1 is minus 4 divided by 3 power of 4. So that is nothing but minus 4 by 3 power of 4 is 81. So we got like A6 equal to minus 4 by 81. In this question, we need to find 10th term of GP, 5, 25, 125 and so on. Our first term A is here 5. The common ratio is A2 by A1. So here A2 is 125 divided by A1 is 5. 5 on the 5 5 the value of R is 5. We know that the nth term of GP is AR to the power of n minus 1. My requirement is 10th term. So let me take this as A10. A10 equal to n value is 10 now. So A is the 5 and the R value we already got the 5 to the power of n. N value is 10, 10 minus 1. So 5 into the 5 power of 10 minus 1 is 9. So nothing is 1 here. When the base are equal, power should be added. So 1 plus 9. So 5 power of 10. Our 10th term is 5 power of 10.